Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to recover your Metamask recovery phrase. If you've lost access to your Metamask wallet, don't worry, there's a clear path to regaining control. The first step is to open your Metamask application, either the browser extension or the mobile app. On the very first screen, you'll see an option to import using secret recovery phrase. This is where we'll begin our recovery journey, so click on that to proceed. Once you've selected the import option, you'll be prompted to enter your 12-word secret recovery phrase. It's absolutely crucial to type each word precisely as you originally recorded it, paying close attention to spelling and the exact sequence. Even a single incorrect word or misplaced word will prevent successful recovery. After entering your phrase, you'll set a brand new, robust password for your wallet, which will protect your assets moving forward. With your secret recovery phrase and new password entered, the next step is to click the Restore or Import button. Metamask will then process this information, and if everything is correct, your wallet will be successfully restored. You should immediately see your previous account balance and transaction history. Take a moment to confirm that all your digital assets are present and accounted for, ensuring a complete and successful recovery. To prevent future recovery issues, always store your secret recovery phrase offline. Write it down on paper and keep it in a safe, private place, like a fireproof safe or a secure deposit box. Never, ever share this phrase with anyone, as it grants full access to your funds. For an extra layer of security, consider using a hardware wallet, which provides robust protection for your valuable digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.